Hello, everyone. This is Linda. So it is getting late in the evening, y'all, and this is my mullen. So right now it's about 53 degrees, and I guess maybe it's about 6 something. I'm not sure, y'all. I'm not sure. But I wanted to share this with you all about mullen, and this is many plants that does this, right? When it gets chilly, they close up their leaves like this. They close up all in the middle. Yeah. And they kind of protect the middle part of them when it gets chilly. Now, when the sun is up and it's all bright and beautiful, they spread out really, really wide. So I'm going to grab a couple of these leaves because I need the drink. I need the tea tonight. It's just going to help me feel a little bit better. That's all. But I'm doing great, y'all. I'm doing great, you know. But I just wanted to share some of the vegetables that's growing in the garden right now. So let's go check out my potatoes. The potatoes. Check this out. This is dill. And would you believe she's flowering? It's dill. Look at this baby. But this is dill, y'all. She's beautiful. She smells good. I made a tuna salad today and I put some dill in it. It was so good. So good. And my celery down there. That's my store-bought celery. And I just planted the bottom. She's doing good. Yeah. But anyway, guys. Pigeon peas. That's them. They showing up. The pigeon peas. Oh yeah. So I got 3 out of 7? That's good. Y'all see them? That's it right there. And that one. And there's one back there. Yeah. All right. So these are my Texas sweets, and they're doing really good. As you can see, they all got these little brown tips, and that's because of the cold nights we've been having. But our weather is rising, so they're going to be really good. But they are really good, really strong. That 40-degree weather is not hurting them at all. They're doing really, really, really good. So they're real tall. So last week I gave everybody some bone meal. So if you're growing onions or any vegetable that have a bulb, remember to give them some bone meal, which is phosphorus. And that's just going to help the bulb grow. If you only give them 5-11 and super juice, you will have a lot of greenery, but your bulbs will not be that big. So make sure to give them some bone meal too, okay? But that's my Texas sweet. Come on, Texas. All right, guys. Of course, this is garlic, and they're doing great, y'all. They are wonderful. Absolutely. Absolutely wonderful. So this is some mint I have. I'm going to grab some of this mint for this tea I'm going to make for tonight. So this is spearmint. That's spearmint. Yeah. Yeah, it's spearmint. And I'm going to get some of this. They're real nice and firm in there, yeah. Maybe one more piece, one more. You want to come? Come on, baby. All right. So let's go get this mullen, y'all. So, all right, I'm gonna get this mullen, but I want to share. I guess I'll get 3. 3 leaves is good enough for me. right? All right. Let me go to my peas. Let me share. So these are my beans that I dropped with you all. And most of them are up and ready. They are beautiful. Absolutely. They're doing good. We have some stragglers down there, but overall, they're doing really good. Yeah. So this is my broccoli Romanesco. She's in a truck rim all by herself. And today, I'm going to harvest this baby. Yeah, I'm a harvester. Give me a second, y'all. Wow, y'all. That was a fight. It was a fight, baby. But here she is. There she is. It's a broccoli Romanesco. And I'm going to eat some of these leaves. But she's going to be a part of my dinner for tonight. Yay. If I could. Oh, she's really heavy, y'all. She is heavy, heavy. She's a big girl. It's a broccoli Romanesco. Yeah. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, Chris. I'm a beast at this thing now, man. So this cabbage, I will be harvesting this cabbage very soon. She's nice and firm, and probably one day next week I will be having cabbage and cornbread and some chicken wings. Yeah, but anyway, guys, I hope you all are having a wonderful, wonderful day. I hope all is going well with you all, right? So you all have a great evening, and I will see you all in the next video.